Welcome to Somfy's video manual for Somfy-powered rolling shutters. In this video, you will learn how to set up and adjust a preferred MY intermediate position. Briefly press down to send the shutter away from its limits. Stop the shutter by pressing MY once it reaches your desired intermediate position. Press MY again and hold until the shutter jogs, confirming the setting. The MY favorite position can be activated by briefly pressing the MY button when the shutter is stationary. When the shutter is in motion, the MY button acts as a stop and will stop the shutter in its current position. Adjusting the MY favorite position. Starting with the shutter stationary in any position, briefly press MY button to send it to its current MY favorite position. Once the shutter stops, press and hold the MY button until the motor jogs. The MY position is now deleted, and pressing the MY button will only work as a stop when shutter is in motion. You can set up the new favorite position by following the steps from the beginning. Thanks for watching. Visit us on rollershield.com for more information.